Good morning, children. Today start the class for 4th standard maths. I hope you everyone done in the assessment test. Everyone should submitted the assessment mark. Shall I start now? Chapter 6, Information Processing, exercise number 6.1. Previous class you learned this one. Numbers. 4 numbers is given to you. You arranged for 2-digit number. Only asking here 2-digit number. Number is given for 4 numbers, but you write for 2-digit numbers. So how many possible ways to write the 2-digit number? 12 possible ways. The next one in your book exercise 6.1. So first sum 972. 3 numbers is given to you. How many possible ways to write 3-digit number without repeating these numbers? 3 numbers is given to you. So you write to form for 3-digit numbers, but numbers is not repeated. Only one time you used to write the numbers. How many possible ways here to find out now? This one sum. First one. How many possible ways to write 3-digit number without repeating these numbers? 972 is a given number. So first take it out and write 972. Then next one, change the number. 972 is directly write first number. Second number 972. 927. Then next one 792. 792. The next one 729. So this one order only changed here. Then next one 729. Then next 200 and last number you take it and write 279. 297. So here these 3 numbers only used here, but not repeated this number. 9 is one time, 7 is one time, 2 is one time. 9 one time, 2 one time, 7 one time. 7 one time, 9 one time, 2 one time. So here not repeated these numbers. So possible ways to write for 6. 6 ways possible to write. Then how many numbers here? 3-digit numbers. Only use for 3-digit numbers. Write the ways for 6 ways. Okay. This is the answer. Then next one, second sum. In a hotel, you have to choose a tiffin and a drink. Here is the list. List is given here. First one tiffin item, the next one is a drinks. Okay, first one tiffin, idli, puri, dosa, pongal. So you pair this one tea, coffee, milk. So list the possible combination simultaneously. So first you take for idli, choose for tea or coffee or milk. That is the one way. The next one way, you choose for puri, puri with tea, puri with coffee, puri with milk. Or you choose for dosa, dosa with tea, dosa with coffee, dosa with milk. Or otherwise you choose for pongal, pongal with tea, pongal with coffee, pongal with milk. This is the possible ways to write the combination. Okay, you understand this concept, children? Ready to write in your classwork? This one second sum. In a hotel, you have to choose a tiffin and a drink. Here is the list. So first one list is here. So I joined and write for arrow symbol. This one model to use to apply here and write this option. Idli with tea, idli with coffee, idli with milk. Puri with tea, puri with coffee, puri with milk. Or dosa with tea, dosa with coffee, dosa with milk. Then last one I give to you pongal. So pongal with you join and write for tea, pongal with coffee, pongal with milk. So you practice this one, children. Okay. Then next one. Kavin has 4 cards. Number 9, 7, 4, 6. So first question, list down all 3 possible 3-digit number. 3-digit number possible with these cards without repetition. Here given for 4-digit numbers, but here asking for only 3-digit numbers. So you should write 3-digit number with use these cards without repetition. So I take it out and write in your classwork. Kavin has 4 cards, 9, 7, 4, 6. So list down all 3-digit numbers possible with these cards without repetition. First number I take it out, 9. So 9 and join with numbers, all the numbers is 3-digit numbers. 974, 976. The next one 946, 964. The next one 947, 967. Okay. So first 9 numbers, 900 possibilities for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 900 possibilities numbers is here. 6 possibilities to write for 3-digit number. Then next one I take it out for 7. So 7 possibilities. 746, 764, 769, 796, 749, 796. Okay, 796. This is also same method. Here also 700s for 6 possible ways. The next one I take it out for 4. 469, 479, 496, 497, 467, 476. So next one, so first number is 647. 647. The next one 649. The next one 679. The next one 674. The next one 697. 694. So here 600's number 647, 649. Then 679, 674, 697, 694. Okay. So here using for 4 cards, you get the number of ways is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 6 columns, 4 rows. So 6 fours are 24 ways. Totally how many ways to possible to write? 24 ways. Okay, children. The next question. B. What is the largest 4-digit odd number that can be made without repeating the number? What is the largest 4-digit odd number that can be made without repeating the number? So here given the number for 9, 7, 4, 6. So first is asking for largest number. So which one is a biggest number? 9 is a biggest number. So first you should start for 9. Then you write for 9,746. 9,746. Then 9,674 or 9,647. So here write these possible ways. 9,467. So here given for 4 numbers. used only 4-digit number, largest number. So 9 is a first number. Then next one 9-6 is a smaller. 9-7 is a biggest number. But here odd number is asking here. Only you should write form for odd number. 6 is a even number. So this is not coming. Then next one 9674. This is a even number, not coming. So this 9647 or 9467. So this two number is possible here. So 400 is a smaller. So 600 is a bigger. So this is coming for the answer. So 9647. So 7 is 9647. So end this number 7 is a odd number. So this is the possible ways. So 4-digit odd number, biggest number 9647. This is the answer. You understand, children? Then fourth sum. There are 6 spinsters, an athlete who ran fast in short race. In how many different ways 3 medals? Gold, silver, bronze. Gold, silver and bronze be allocated. So already you write these numbers. 9746. 4 cards is given to you. So you form the number, 3-digit number. So how many possible ways do you get? 4 numbers used to get for 24 possible ways. So here use for 6 spinsters. Ways use for 3, same order. So here use 4 cards. 4 numbers is given to you. Form for 3-digit numbers. So here use the formula for 4-digit number. So write 4 before number 3, before number 2. So you multiply now. 4 multiply 3 multiply 2. So 4 3s are 12. 12 multiply 2, 24. So how many ways you get now? Totally for 24 ways. So this is the ways, possibilities to you do the sums. So the same method use here. There are 6 spinsters, an athlete who ran fast in short race. In how many different ways? 3 medals. Gold, silver, bronze be allocated. So 6 spinsters. So you write for your method for 3 ways, 3 medals. So you write 6 before number 5, 4. So multiply now. 6 multiply 5 multiply 4. So 6 5s are 30. 30 multiply 4, 120. So how many possible ways? 120 ways you to get the prizes. Okay, children, you understand this concept? Okay, exercise 6.1 is completed now. Thank you, children.